What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing for the DeWalt Bolster safety boots. So you can buy this from Amazon for about £60 and I've bought the black ones. So right, I'll show you what they look like. That's what they look like in the box when they come. And I'll get them out quickly now. So this is what they look like out of the box. And the only reason I bought these because I was due some new ones and my friend's got a pair of these and he said they're absolutely awesome. They're a bit more like trainer boots because when you've got them on, they're so light and comfortable. He said to me that they're one of the best and he would buy them again. So for that reason I bought them myself, and hopefully they should be really good. So I'll just show you quickly around them. This is the side of them. This is the front of them. This is the other side. This is the back of them. And this is the underneath of them. So on here it does say flex. So there's a little bit of flex there. They're not rock solid like normal boots, so you can bend them and they'll give you a bit more movement. So underneath here as well, you've got the DeWalt label, and then right underneath there it says acid resistant. Underneath there it says oil resistant, and underneath there it says slip resistant. So I'm really looking forward to testing these out. But yeah, they feel really solidly built, and I'm glad I bought them. And like I said, I would have never bought these by looking at them. The only reason I bought them because my friend assured me that they are really good boots, and he's on his second pair now. So, and like I said, he said that he would buy another pair again after that. So what can I tell you about them? On the front of them here, they've got steel toe caps. It's got extra padding on the tongue, which is here. There's extra padding. It says it's got aerospacer lining inside as well, and it's got soft padded PU collars. So around here it's all padded and it feels pretty nice. Probably need to break them in a little bit, but they feel well padded and everything. So like I said, it's got a really good sole underneath, and it's got a dual density antibacterial Pu footbed as well, it says. So there you go guys. So I thought I'd just give you a quick look at them. If you're thinking about buying them, you know what you're looking at. I have actually tried them on and they are very comfortable. And I mean, they really are comfortable. So I've not really wore them working yet because I wanted to do a quick unboxing and share it with you guys. So right guys, that was the quick unboxing for the DeWalt Bolster safety boots. You can actually get them in tan colour as well. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying some. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.